Come bella gialla luna brilla strette.
The Italian word for butterfly is farfalle, and it's such a beautiful pasta shape. All you need is an afternoon and 5 simple ingredients. 2 teaspoons of salt, 8 eggs, preferably organic and free range, 3½ cups of semolina flour, 8 tablespoons of water, and 3½ cups of flour. First, you'll combine the dry ingredients, so that means the salt, the flour, and the semolina flour, water, and the eggs. Keep it going until a big dough ball forms. And then you take 1/4 of the dough, sprinkle a counter surface with semolina flour, and begin kneading the pasta dough. You know that it's done when it's smooth. Wrap it up, put it in the fridge for an hour at least. After it's been sitting in the fridge for about an hour, you can take it out and begin rolling it. You're going to want to roll the pasta dough into a big rectangle. This feels really thin as paper. I think we're good. Now I'm going to use a pizza roller to cut it into a true rectangle. From there, I'm going to cut it into squares. Do a little pinch in the middle. You have homemade farfalle. I'm going to put the farfalle onto a tray with parchment paper to let them dry out before I boil them.
On an evening in Roma.